hit a screwdriver right there and it'll crank up.
Okay, so the switch.
Yeah. I need the switch fixed, and the carburetor's gummed up. There's that old yellow sludge in it or whatever it is.
Okay.
Because it's sit for 2 years. But I got it cranked yesterday, but it run a little bit and it cut out.
Okay.
So I don't know if you want to clean it out or you want to put a new one on it. It doesn't matter.
We're gonna go through it.
Yeah, it ain't got but about 8 hours.
Yeah, because if you're gonna do that for sitting, you might as well just replace it. Because if you clean it out, it's just gonna build right back up.
Yeah. It ain't
just doing this. Just the button on that?
Yeah, I want a button.
Okay.
Crank it. Or if you can figure out a cheaper way to do it, have a switch or something, I don't care.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yep. He came over and kicked you with no problem.
He went and slipped his hand and kept it going. He looked at me like, hey, I know you. Yeah, you do.
Y'all tried to lock me up yesterday.
I didn't lock you up. Daddy came and got you.
So we gotta fix this little switch.
Oh, that's so cute. That's a 90?
Yeah, it's 90cc.
So I probably want some water. So my name is Love. So my name is Love. All right, I'm the big dog up here. You going to get on? So it's time to get these things cleaned up. You know how we do it. No bad juju.
No bad juju.
Let's go. Oh yeah. That thing cleaned up, ready to get serviced. Lining them up like I see. Let's go. Oh yeah. That thing ready too. 90. All cleaned up. Ready to go. We gotta add a new stop go switch. The next is loose. Twist throttle. Let's get this thing going. So we got the battery charging. The battery's still good. Time to install our new switch. Out with the old, in with the new. Get that loose right there. Bring all the wires out. Start plugging in the new wire. That's all connected. So now that the switch is installed, time to mount it up. It's all done repaired. Let's see if it won't start. We all ready to go? Number 2, let's go. Let's get this battery out of here. See if we got some power. Get this thing cranked up and going. So it's only crank when we get a little fire like that, left and right. So it smells bad. Want to remove that carburetor. Let's pull that out. Get a new one in. So that's all built up in the back of here. So we need to put a new filter, drain the gas, clean the pincock out before we put in the new carb. New gas pincock. Now it's time to clean out the gas tank. You good to go? Look how much dirt and the oil, gas. Now we're gonna clean the gas tank out and see how much dirt is in there. Pincock's in, new gas filter. Gas look a little cloudy, might need to fully drain all the gas out. But let's see if this thing get to fire. Activity! Stay tuned. Blowout activity. Everything's on there looking good. ride and see how it do.
He's going on a test ride. Spiky helmet, and he's off. Showing out. He's showing out, ladies and gentlemen. Two-wheeling it. Balance point. Nice. Nice. Up a daisy. Up, up.
About a little bit of things like this. Welcome to Stunt Town Fox. Oh, you see it. 125 guy. Don't really care. Hey. Check my screwdriver. I was saying a lot of that. I'm fasting.
Whoa.
Back there, boy.
Oh, yeah. Nah. Time to put them up.
Got it running right. Time to do the oil change, and we'll be out of here. You coming out of you. Right. Let that drain for a second. Woo. And we done. This one ready to go. Tuned up, cleaned up, all changed, everything ready to go. New push start. Still had the key in it. And this is another one out of here. Alright, so we're gonna put a new key switch on this one. We're wondering why the key not acting right. Somebody try to hot wire that. New key switch on. Turn it. Push your crank. Say you see it. You see it. Walker. Come push your bike. Look at him, uh-huh. Look at this spoiled guy. Uh-huh.
What's that called?
You ready? That's right, that's right. No problem, thank you. Walker, you gotta learn how to ride wheelies. Uh-huh, look at him. Turn it off. Push start.
Load it up. You have to satisfy customers.